A title is the ultimate hook to pull people in to your YouTube video. That's what we talk about today. How to write a perfect YouTube video title. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now in the massive world that is the internet, the ultimate, most powerful thing right next to your thumbnail is your title. It's the ultimate bait on the end of that hook, right? If someone scans through and they kind of like the thumbnail, if the title is enticing, or makes them think, or makes them question, oh, I wonder what that's about, click. You've won them over. It's now time for them to see the video. That's the point of a title, to intrigue them. But before I tell you how you can intrigue them more often and write the perfect YouTube video title, I want to know, do you have any kind of methods behind your title? Do you look at the video and solely describe what's in it, or do you always try and zhuzh it up a little bit, make it a little bit more, dare I say it, clickbaity, more interesting, more click-worthy, more ooh, click? Please leave a comment down below. Now in my experience, the best YouTube titles are the ones that intrigue you, but also lean on the algorithm to help you. A title that's like, wow, look at this, isn't YouTube search engine optimization friendly. Because I didn't wake up this morning and decide, you know what, I'm going to Google, wow, look at this, and see what shows up. Wow, look at this, could be a dinosaur. Wow, look at this, could be someone's makeup. Wow, look at this, could be Donald Trump falling down some stairs. But no, none of the wow is using any of the words that's in that video to describe it. So even if I search Donald Trump falling down stairs, it's not going to pull up your video, Billy, that's titled, wow, look at this. Don't get me wrong, Billy, you've gone for the intriguing, but you've got none of the search. So a good title should include search engine optimization. So bear that in mind. What do you want people to search for to find this? So if it is Trump falling downstairs, the title should be Trump falling downstairs. Wow, look at this. See what I did there is you've kind of given the key word right at the start. Trump falling downstairs, Trump stairs, Trump falling. You've got tags in there. Those are all searchable, so if he does fall downstairs, not only do I look like a genius next week, right, but people can then search Trump falls, Trump stairs, Trump falls downstairs, right, and they can find them. The wow, look at this, maybe that's the intriguing bit, but a title doesn't necessarily have to be a bit clickbaity. A good title could be 5 top tricks about blah, 5 mysterious things and such, why you should do so and so, why you should not do this or that. You'll notice some of mine are why you should open a YouTube channel, how you can promote your YouTube channel without being spammy. What I've done there is I've created the keyword at the end, promote your channel without being spammy, and at the start I've used you for you to drag you in. But what you should always focus on is the title needs to match with the description, and then the title should be tagged better to match the descriptions and make it search worthy. No matter what type of video you are doing, makeup tutorials, family vlogging, holiday, travel, how-tos, scuba diving, chocolate eating, you need your keyword that you want someone to search for in the title, and you need to phrase it as if they would search for it. You need to think how someone would, that isn't you, search for that video and then give it that title. Like how to write the perfect YouTube video title. Because in there it's like how to write YouTube title, how to write perfect video title. I've got lots of key phrases in there that I can use as tags. But if you want to know how to tag your videos better, I did a video on this here, and there's also a playlist in the description down below. But those are my tips on how you can write the perfect YouTube video title. For more tricks and tips, it's a PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted next time I go live or push my videos out immediately. Go out there, start creating.